What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. I'm back with another video. Whoa, man, it's time to flow. It's your boy Q, and I'm about to dang go to Fort Worth. Man, what is worth? Me and Big Red coming down, turning heads. I done came down, man, candy paint dripping red. But anyway, man, so what's up, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. So you see Big Red behind me. So today, I'm actually about to head out to TSP SLAM in Fort Worth. I think this is like the second, third year they doing it. I think last year they said they had about, last year they had about 2,300 cars show up. And I know this year, I think they got people coming from Houston, Austin, like cruisers going to this event. So we gonna see, it should be a pretty good turnout. You see I got Big Red all cleaned up. You know, she looking real good, real mean, man. I got it looking, you know, can't go out half-stepping. So yeah, so got Red cleaned up, looking nice. Fort Worth is probably about an hour away or so, about an hour away. And so yeah, me and one of my homeboys going with me. So yeah, we just gonna go have a good time, record, and hope y'all enjoy the footage. And yeah, I'll catch y'all when we get to Fort Worth. My truck looks small.
Really? You don't think y'all ain't the same?
Hell no, look at my hood to the back of his car.
Oh.
Hell no.
I guess he do got you.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We made it. We out here, Fort Worth. Yeah, you see the line.
Look at that. Look at that.
All the way back. What's up, man? What's going on? Ooh, that SRT is too clean. Yeah, you like man. Yeah, she right. Clean. The GT 350 too. Yeah, GT 350, boy. He said it's Illinois.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what up, man? They just see me recording this. Yeah, it is. What's up, baby? Yeah, he said this truck load, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nicole, hey Nicole, so you said you've been out here since how long?
I've been here since 5 o'clock this morning.
5 a.m.?
We had people lining up since 2.
What?
We've had people here since 2 o'clock this
2
morning.
o'clock? Oh man, I mean, I
Yes,
didn't think,
sir.
y'all can see the line. So this is the line up here, guys.
This is the tail end of everything.
The tail end. And then you gotta go all the way back around. But it's a good day, so it's gonna be
It is a packed show. It will be great. Hope y'all enjoy.
All right, thanks Nicole, you have a good one.
You guys have a great day.
All right, you too. Can I pick either line? Pick a line?
Pick a line.
Pick a line. Thank you. Hey, rev it up one time. Yes, sir. What's up, man? What's up? Hey, man.
Yeah.
Where you get that sticker from, man?
This one?
On the side, yeah. License and registration?
Yeah. Got it from Hot Import Nights.
Okay, I got you.
I didn't put that.
You clean. Hey, man, you on YouTube, man. Say something. What's up? You gonna stop? Hey, I'm gonna stop.
Back in the middle,
Hey, what lift that?
I got smell cologne. Yeah, I just on the deal.
Hey, what lift that is you sitting on, man? What is this? The what? How tall you sitting? 14 inches. What tall? 40s, 30? 42-inch tires. 42. Woo, you clean, man. I see you up there, baby, buddy.
This is the racing car.
All right, guys, so we just got inside, man. I tell you, this thing is crazy, bro. There's so many people out here, man. I need a bathroom first. That's what I'm trying to do. I gotta find a bathroom real quick.
I'm trying to find the liquor.
He said, y'all just, hey, enjoy this footage as we go, and I'll come back on home where y'all see me, man. How you doing, ladies? First, I got to use the restroom. I found my destination. He smoked them a good one. Hey, you the real MVP, man.
Right, with the cowboy hat.
Now look at this GTR. Look at this. Slam. You can't get a finger. Look, you can't get a finger underneath it, bro. That's crazy. I gotta check out my man in the 14-inch lift. I appreciate it. The 14-inch lift. I need y'all to get a real understanding how tall this truck is, man. Look at that. Are you hold it for me? Look at that. So I'm 6'2". Appreciate it, man. I can put my whole hand in the rim. I can put my whole hand on the lip of the rim. My whole hand is big. Look at this whole hand. Like even this much.
Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Why, Dad? Because you came out of my balls, nigga. Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic who the head leaving a baby. I'm feeling like a chicken slim shady with rabies. I'm pulling at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I did get a test, because every single one of you motherfuckers impressed me. Maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm feeling the
It's a whole other level, man. Wow. How long you been building this? 3 months, 4 months? 3 months, 4 months? You going back this year? You going to see me this year? Maybe. Nah, this is good stuff, bro. Y'all probably couldn't hear him, but he said it's a SEMA truck, SEMA build, 14-inch lift. I think he said 42-inch rims, or 40-inch rim, 42-inch tires. He been built for like 3 months. That's a long throw, man. Seats, 720 years.
Where?
Yeah, bro.
I've been seeing a lot of these on the road, bro. We got some money.
720 years. Let's see. Man. This is nasty. Nasty.
Are you listening?
Skyline. Slam wide body. Full wide body.
That Jeep looks cool.
Instagram. Probably 5 on these. Another track called Slam. All these boys bad. Huh?
That's Slam too?
Yeah, you see how? Yeah. Oh, look at the look at the spikes on the rims. Then you got the Acura.
Oh, this was sexy inside.
Date night car.
Oh, they know, yeah, right.
Yeah, the Skyline. Hey, look at this old school Skyline, man. Look, y'all look at this Skyline. This is nice, clean, nice. Look at this. Man. I love the all the M series.
I don't even like blue. I like that.
M3, M4. We got an M4 right here. Speaking of, so this the M4. M3. He said that's 62.
Where the wheel at? Steering wheel.
He's still with
Oh, it's at the hell no.
the dash. The steering wheel. M3 is pretty. I love that blue. Another blue M4 right here. Arrow ZL1. Pretty sure it's a camouflage army wrap on it. ZL1 Arrow. Gotta be a ZL1. Pretty sure it is. It's sitting hard now. I got the wrap on this car. Wrap. Yeah, this boy clean. I ain't gonna lie, this is clean. I like this. I like how it get fat at the back. How it get fat at the back. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it is. Hey, but for low key though, they really don't look like none on the inside.
No, they don't.
Demon, that's the demon. So demon, Hellcat.
That's the demon?
That's the demon. See the logo on the side? It's white. I don't think I can fit in one of these.
Are you
You can't small.
You think you can fit in there?
I could.
Oh,
Oh, wait,
man.
there. See them go back? Oh, that's it? I don't know.
It's an engine. This engine is huge. Look how big this is. This Demon logo, so you know what it is. They still got the plastic on it and everything. Demon, boy. Man, these cars, bro. Woo! Stupid. You got the Hellcat. Charging Hellcat. Man. You seen the Hellcat. I still love the Hellcat, bro. I love this car, man. I
This
just
it right here?
this Hellcat. I love this car, bro.
You like it over the Demon?
Yeah,
I don't know if this, I like the tire.
I love the red and gold. This color combination, though.
What is it?
After NSX. So like that white one we saw down there?
Yeah.
He just got huge slam. I love this red and gold. Huh? You like what now? Oh, you like it? Oh yeah. It's a good one to have, man. Why? Is this wide body? Oh, the red-eye wide body. Okay. Yeah, this is new.
He said it's new news.
Wait, you got a YouTube channel? Yeah. Were you on YouTube with is that Real to Real? Yeah, I knew. I thought I seen you, man.
I haven't made many videos because I have a big plan for the car.
Okay.
I don't want to give too much away.
Okay, yeah.
I don't mind being on your vlog right now.
Right,
but
no,
I
you
don't want
good.
to give too much away.
Yeah.
So I don't want to be like everybody else right now and do
Gotcha.
everyday stuff.
Yeah.
Because I want it to be a big reveal.
You want to shout your channel? Just let people watch.
Yeah, it's RedEye Productions.
RedEye Productions right here in the wall.
Yeah. So this is my Instagram.
Yeah.
There's a link to my YouTube.
Yeah. Dude, I got like 500 subscribers, man. We got to link up what they do. We got to do a collab.
There's a little story about this, all right?
Yeah.
So, the RedEye,
Yep.
I reversed the E's because I bought the RedEye on my 33rd birthday.
Ah,
Numerology,
okay.
a set of threes, is
Yep.
a reset in your life.
Hold up. So y'all cats don't know me. That's Live with Mazi.
Hey, what's happening?
Well, hey man, someone named Q, man. I got a YouTube channel too, yeah, man.
Don't shout it out, man.
Oh, hey, man, it's your boy Q, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all hit me up. Hey, follow it. The name of my channel is Q. You can catch me on Instagram at Q_. You know what? Hey, Mike, hold up. Hold on, I got something for you. Hold on, I got something for you. You did? Oh, yeah, I've been checking you out, boy. The Hellcat nice, man. You running. So I've been watching y'all stuff. I'm like, man, look at these cats. So, hey, go ahead, shout them out, man.
Hey man, y'all already know living underscore, not the underscore. Living space with space Mazi, man. Oh, it's on the back.
I was on the back. Oh, they got the search and everything. Yeah, you got to say no more. And I know it's HemiLife for the phone. But yeah, y'all boys, hey, we got collab on the YouTube video too, man. Bring the Hellcat, man. Hey, put you in the Eco Boost 6-inch lift. I'll put you up there, man. I'm riding something different, man. Like big boy style, man. Let me give him the car, man. It's your boy Q, man. Yeah, so it's your boy Q. A little different channel. We on the Detroit scene, man. 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires. But check me out. Oh, go zoom in on it for
Right there.
Right there. That's the IG. That's the YouTube channel, man.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Y'all
Y'all
follow me on IG too.
Y'all
Y'all make sure y'all do that.
So boy, like HemiLife 44.
Hey man, HemiLife 44. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. We're going up. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Hey, you can cop the merch on my channel if you like it. That's the backside, you know.
Y'all boys racing?
Nah, we ain't racing.
Y'all ain't put
We ain't got no help.
Oh yeah, I did the same thing. I was about to put mine on the drive, bro, but I ain't got no helmet, man. So yeah, I couldn't get out there, man. Oh, they right here, man. Hey, hold up. Hey,
you know what?
Hey, you ain't got no excuse now, bro.
The gas in my car evaporated in my trailer, so somebody got to race, right?
Somebody.
There you go.
Go get
He said you gonna go get it.
But it's a cat. There's a cat on there. There's a cat on there.
I want to show you something. Come here.
You just got blessed, bro.
Yeah.
She got that point. I said, I love that stance. I like, yeah, the car.
yeah.
Oh, the car. This boy is stupid tall. Man, hold up. Let me see if y'all can get a good picture how tall this is behind me. Hold up. Hey, hold that real quick, Mike. Look how tall.
They got tall. These little kids.
Hey, how far from me? I don't even think I can get in here, bro.
Hey, bro, you look hella small, bro. You look hella small.
I'm telling you. No, that's stupid, bro. No, that is dumb, bro. Dude. Stupid. Look, and you tall, Mike, how tall are you? You about 6'2", 6'3"? Hey, homie. Hey, you like a little kid, bro. Man, what size lip is it? 22. He said 22.
22 inches.
You see my truck? Yeah. Golly, man. This thing is beautiful though, man. What size rim tires?
30 by 16s and 42s.
Man, that's nice. How long it took you to build it? How long you been building?
A month.
A month? Dude, okay.
We started at January 26th for OST and finished at February 18th.
For the rims and tires, just for this truck, man.
22,000.
22,000 for the rims and tires, man. I figured, man. That's beautiful.
Well, they've actually gone down in price now. They're like $19.5. Whenever I bought those, I was the 6th set in the nation.
Okay.
Now there's 25 sets in the nation.
Okay, in the nation. Not in the nation. That's beautiful truck, though, man. Beautiful truck. You going back to SEMA this year? Yeah. What is in California, right?
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. I never been. When is it? I never been. Probably my first year.
3rd, I believe, this year.
Fuck, I just got married. My bad.
Yeah, November 3rd.
Okay.
Usually it's right around Halloween.
Okay.
And it gets wild in Vegas on Halloween.
Does it? I can imagine.
Wow,
man.
we're already wild.
I know, right? I'm like, they'll need another reason to go.
Yeah.
All right, man. Y'all have a good one. You got something you want to shout out? I got this YouTube channel. Something you want to shout out?
Oh no.
Instagram, nothing, no? All right. Well, I see you say Mr. DB. What's Mr. DB? Custom Fab? Mr. Business?
Yeah, DB Custom Fab.
DB Custom Fab. So y'all do like with lips and things like that?
Yep. Lift, wheels, tires.
So DB Custom Fab. Yep. All right, so y'all go check him out. DB Custom Fab, man. Oh, there you go for the back. I knew y'all had something to shout out, man. Don't be modest. That's a beautiful truck, man.
Thank you.
All right, y'all have a good one.
See you, man.
Chop up that whole damn stage. Coming down infrared to your motherfucking head. Got to leave on the hood.
I'm giving y'all YouTube. I mean Instagram, so y'all check them out. I'm just giving you Instagram, man.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Go check out my channel.
What's your channel? Go ahead, shout it
Colton
out.
McKinney.
What's that?
Colton McKinney.
Spell it out for him.
COLTONMCKENNEY.
All right, Coach.
No I.
No I. All right.
Make sure it's the skeleton. It's the skeleton.
All right. So y'all make sure y'all go check him out. All right, y'all have a good one. Oh, yeah. Got hot. So I had to stop recording. Space is getting limited, so I got to get a camera, man. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe so we can keep upgrading the equipment. All right, so Mike ain't never been to Bucky before. So we get Mike. Hey, we give him his Bucky's experience, man. So you ain't never been to Bucky's. I'm about to show y'all what it is. It's just a big gas station, very popular, famous in Texas. You see how many gas pumps they got? How many you said? 102. He said this is not He said what? Like a restaurant? I need some water, bro.
A buggy?
Boudin? You ever have Boudin Bucky?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, so hold on. What was your Bucky experience like? You gotta tell you people what Bucky experience. With your sauce, what was it?
I got my boss.
Sauce, water,
I had to
and
get
Bucky.
bougie because I was in that. That was the biggest bathroom I ever seen. You had the option for hand sanitizer and soap. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man. So shout out to Bucky's, man. If y'all ain't never been to Bucky's,
man, you know what I'm saying? You the dude with the red cap.
you definitely gotta come by Bucky's. You ain't never been to Bucky's, man. Check it out. But we gonna catch y'all later.